The Pixel 7 as a non-Pro phone because it packs the same main camera as the 7 Pro, which is something Apple would never do because they keep the best camera only for the Pro models. You also get 90Hz refresh rate versus 60Hz on the 14 and 14 Plus. Pixel 7 Pro Google presents a sleek, sophisticated exterior featuring a matte aluminum frame and glass, back anchored by a compact horizontal modern camera bar, with its diminutive bezels and slightly rounded corners and a choice of obsidian snow or hazel colors. The Pixel 7 Pro definitely has a cleaner single punch hole, while Apple has dynamic island notch, which does have some cool functions. Apple does have a ridiculously good panel, in fact the best panel from Samsung, with the highest peak brightness coming at 2000 nits. Versus 1500 on the Pixel 7 Pro. In terms of direct sunlight visibility, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be better than any phone on the market. The Pixel 7 Pro the visual effect is stunning, and the scratch-resistant 6.7-inch display is made with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. There's no irritating notch or dynamic island or anything analogous to the iPhone's built-in interface. The Pixel 7 Pro only adds that the Pixel 5000 mAh battery may have over its main competitor is charging interval. The Pixel features 30W fast charging as opposed to iPhone 25W fast charging. In addition, the Pixel has an adaptive battery which learns which apps you use most often, while its extreme battery saver mode gives you battery life for up to 72 hours, up from the normal 24 hours. The iPhone 14 Pro Max cost $1,099 and the Pixel 7 Pro is around $899. So the iPhone 14 and Plus are already out of this race. Cost Pixel is simply better than those two. The Pixel 7 Pro can do face authentication without a long pale hole thanks to the new 10.8-megapixel selfie shooter with Pixel autofocus. iPhone is more secure using a hardware for Face ID, but Pixel, in addition to Face Unlock, also have in-display fingerprint scanner, which is secure too. The Pixel 7 Pro features a telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom and up to 30x super resume digital zoom. The iPhone 14 series maxes out at 3x optical and 15x for digital zoom. Apple's new phone is literally far behind Google's new Pixel in this category. To be fair, Google borrows a similar technique from iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max to achieve the 2x magnification. Google Super Resume features crops a 50-megapixel image down to a 12.5-megapixel photo. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.